I'm gonna change the dome light on a 2015 Honda Civic. This light's not working. If you look right there and right there, there's a little notch here and a little notch right there. I'm gonna use this little screwdriver, and to prevent scratch, I'm gonna put this tape around it. Okay, so I got the tape on it. I don't think it's gonna make much of a difference, but I'm gonna use the tape anyway. Tape is just to prevent scratching the light cover. I got a new bulb. And then I just push it in. This light cover have 4 tabs. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. To put the cover back on, I'm gonna insert this tab and this tab. I'm gonna insert those 2 tabs to there and there. And then on this other side, I'm gonna just push it in. Okay, so off is off. On. The middle is for the door. Open the door. Lights is on. Close the door. For this car, I think after closing the door, it'll take a while for the light to turn off. Okay, it's off. The procedure to change the dome light bulb, it should be similar for 2012 to 2015 Honda Civic.